Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome if it keeps freezing on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open Settings, tap on Apps, then find and select Chrome. Tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache. This won't delete your personal data, but it can fix freezing issues. Now make sure Chrome is up to date. Open the Play Store, search for Google Chrome, and install any available updates. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. If Chrome is still freezing, go back to Settings, Apps, Chrome, tap Force Stop, then reopen the app. You should also check your phone's storage space. If your device is running low on storage, apps may not work properly. Try deleting unused apps or files. If none of these steps work, uninstall Chrome updates by tapping Uninstall Updates, then update the app again from the Play Store. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.